back to the Power Republic YouTube channel. Today we're going to be unboxing our new PRD Galaxy 125 race engine. Let's get to it. Alright, so PRD Galaxy, it's a bit of the rage here in Australia at the moment, and we're going to be putting this on our new demo car. And this is how your new engine will come to you if you order one. We're just going to pull everything out. This is your radiator. This here, I don't even know what we're getting, is the airbox. And then of course we've got water hose, heaps of those, the coil and the chain guard, and clutch cover. This is the harness pack. Comes with a Yuasa battery. And then that's all the bracketry for the battery. Water pump. Now we've got an exhaust gasket, restrictor plate, radiator bracketry, their filter, and the carburetor from Tillotson. So next up we've got this box here, which is the muffler, I believe, yes. So we've got this beautiful looking muffler for the Galaxy. It's a multi-stage exhaust in the diffuser. Oh yeah, nice. Righto, and you can mount your exhaust socket here for your not your Easy Tune, for your micro and lambda sensor. And then if you want to use an Easy Tune lambda sensor that's not heated, you're going to put that 110 millimeters from the end. Otherwise, for the micro one, we're going to put it in this straight section of the pipe. So next we have the this is the engine box. Okay, so we're just going to rip this open here. Now it does have some staples, so you've got to just rip the box apart. Now careful, they are sharp, and I normally leave them in and cut myself a couple of times, but you could get some pliers and rip them apart. So a bit of packaging there, plenty of that, more packaging. Yeah, and then you can sort of see the engine's just here. I'm going to tip it over and just save my back, pull it out just like that. Alright. Okay, so here we have all the parts laid out. We've got the exhaust pipe, we've got some spacer gaskets here to change the sort of performance of the engine. We've got some exhaust gaskets. This is the restrictor plate if you want to run it here in Australia for the tag restricted class. So you can really see the diameter change there between the full size pipe and the restricted version. We've got the wiring harness, switches, pulley, water pump belts, the water pump. We've got the hose clamps for the water hoses, springs for the exhaust, put them over there actually. The battery, now this is a Yuasa battery and it comes with the acid separate. So you strip this guy off here, take the strip off there, and then you put the battery acid into the battery and then charge it. The battery bracket. We come over here, we've got the clutch cover. It's got the coil mounted to it already, spark plug. Engine comes with the clutch and the ring gear on it. all the starter assembly and the ignition. The engine's already assembled, ready to go with the reed cage ready on it and a gasket. Carburetor comes separate. This is from Tillotson, which is the same as the X30, I believe. And we've got the air filter, airbox, the radiator. Okay, this is the radiator for the wrong way there, upside down for the PRD. And then the radiator bracketry and the hoses and some instructions on how to put it all together. Righto, well that's the PRD Galaxy unbox. We're going to be putting this together over the next couple of weeks on our demo cart. We've got an 801S Tony cart, and we're going to be putting this Galaxy on that and then taking it to the track and giving it a rip. So stay tuned, hit the subscribe button and you'll get alerted when that video hits. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Check us out on Instagram and Facebook at Power Republic, or go to our website www.powerrepublic.com.au. Grab yourself a t-shirt and a cap. See you in the next video.